Go ahead.
Hello everybody, we're back.
Hi friends, we're back and we're going to do another experiment.
We are going to be making a rain cloud.
And what do we need for our rain cloud?
We need shaving cream, a glass cup, water, and food coloring. And you need a napkin in case it spills.
Just in case it spills. All right, would you pour the water into the glass cup? You want to fill it about 3/4 of the way full. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now we're going to take our shaving cream, shake it up, and we will fill up the rest of the cup from the water to the top of the glass.
My mom's going to help me because I need her to hold it because I don't want to make a mess.
Keep going. You got to fill up the sides over here. Okay.
Ah! That was a little bit too big.
That's okay. We just have a very large cloud. Now we're going to take our food coloring. Cassidy's going to choose one color to use as her rain.
I will choose yellow.
Okay, so what you will do next is you will take the food coloring and drop it into the shaving cream.
This is my favorite part.
Just keep dropping it. All the way around. You got to fill up the top of the shaving cream.
Cool. It already looks cool.
Keep going.
There's a little design on the top.
Mm-hmm. And once it starts to settle, there's more than enough shaving cream, food coloring in the shaving cream. It'll start to come down the bottom of the glass,
Yes.
like our rain, so keep going.
It'll be cool when you see it. That one's trying to already go down.
I see it coming through the middle of the glass here, so it's going to need some more on top. Keep going.
It's going to go down soon.
On top here. And it'll come through.
This will be the hardest part because it will be going down onto the thing. So that's like my hardest part.
I see it. It's coming down. I don't know if you can see it down here.
It's going down like there.
Yep. It's coming down the other side.
So
like a regular rain cloud, when the water vapors from the
comes
ground reach the clouds in the sky and the clouds get full, rain comes down. And I don't know if you can see all the color coming down here. It's okay. Keep over here.
Ooh, I can see some
Can you see the rain
greens
cloud
out
coming
there.
in?
I can see a little bit of green.
Might be hard to see. What if we put a napkin behind it? Can you see the color coming down?
I can see green.
No?
I can see
It's
a little bit
hard
of green.
to see.
But I can see it. Ah!
Here, what if you try with a darker color? Try the blue and see if it comes down.
Okay.
I wonder what would happen if we mixed the yellow and blue together.
Ooh. I think it would make a color.
Thank you.
Ah! I'm turning it so I can reach. Ooh, it's making some kind of green color. It's making a green color. A little bit. It looks like, since it's not really mixing right now, it looks like a little bit of dark blue and light blue mixed together.
Cream on top of the cream. Like I said, when the shaving cream gets full.
It's already coming down a little bit. Oh, on the side.
There you go.
There. It's right there.
Please stop spinning it, because look, you can see it.
It's coming down all
When it gets
everywhere.
full. So we definitely learned that with a darker color, you could see it much better.
Okay, it's coming down the glass.
That's okay.
And if you don't have a tray table, it would spill on your table.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you have a tablecloth, it could spill on that too.
Here's the top. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now the point of this experiment is just to see how a rain cloud would work. So again, the water in the glass is the vapor that is in the air that goes up to the cloud. When the cloud gets full of the vapors, it creates the rain, and that's what we use the colors for.
And it's already coming down on the sides.
It's coming out of the side of the glass. Yes. That's right. Well, we hope you enjoyed this activity. We love science experiments at our house.
Yes, we do.
Join us again for another one next week. Bye.
Bye.